I hope all your AliExpress orders arrive at the same speed that these workers deliver cement to the upper floors. The pros only need 10 nails and 1 hammer to split this little rock. But apparently it only takes 1 nail for this giant 9-meter boulder. When you're a professional helicopter pilot, but your services are only needed once a month. I don't know how much this guy gets paid to turn off gravity at work, but it's not enough. How long does it take to dismantle a 500-meter 2-lane overpass? Well, just 24 hours if 116 excavators get down to business.